Hey guys, so today I'm going to go through how to change the rear differential oil on a 2016 Toyota 4Runner Trail. I'll go through the supplies, the tools that you need, and then we'll get into the steps. So first of all, you need Toyota differential gear oil, 75W85. You'll need about 3 cans. New crush washers for your drain and your fill plugs. A fluid pump. A quart bottle. A can opener. A funnel. Oil pan. A ratchet. A 24mm 6-point socket, a torque wrench, gloves, shop towels. Now in preparation, you want to drive around your car for 5 to 10 minutes to heat up the oil so that it comes out more easily. And then you want to open up your differential oil with your can opener and place it into your quart bottle. You can skip this step if you choose just to put a pump directly into this can and fill it directly into your differential. Remove your tire. Alright, for orientation, that's the back of your truck. This is what was holding your spare tire up. And there's your differential, your rear differential. That up there is your fill plug right there. And down there, that is your drain plug. Always remove your fill plug first so that you don't drain your oil and find out you can't remove your fill and then you can't refill it. Now let's fill that into our quart bottle. Now we're gonna put our pump on there. Alright, let's remove the fill plug. Okay, now let's remove the drain plug. Alright, and then not too many shavings on mine, but you want to wipe this off clean. So here's your drain plug. You're going to change the washer out anyway, so you might as well take both washers off. Throw them to the side. Anyway, this is your drain, this is your fill. I'm going to put in my new ones. This is your part number. Same exact washer for both. So I will put one on my drain plug, throw one on my fill plug, and remember, a fill plug is a nice empty hole there. Alright, so got my bottle. This makes it a lot easier and a lot less messy. Take this pipe, stick it into the fill hole, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pump a little bit while it's still open. Alright, so now that it's pretty much done, I'm going to wipe it down. I'm going to put my fill plug back on, or my drain plug back on. Remember, that's the magnetic one, and it's going to be 36 foot-pounds of torque. I'm just going to use my wrench right now. Later on, I'll torque it. Don't forget to torque it 36 foot-pounds. Now the bottle helps because it's a quart bottle, and Toyota sells in liters. Slight difference. Basically, instead of 2.9, well, the equivalent of 2.9 quarts is 2.75 liters, right? So 2.75 of your cans that you bought from Toyota. Toyota sells them in liters. Okay, time to pump this in. I'm literally, the great thing about this quart bottle is you just put this pump in there, or pipe in there, and then just keep pumping it until it fills it all the way. Alright, so once you've filled your oil, you just reinstall your fill plug. Okay, and then I will tighten it up, just hand tight, and then I'll use my torque wrench, again 36 foot-pounds of torque on both the fill and the drain. And that's pretty much it. You can use different kinds of sprays or whatever to degreasing kinds of sprays to wipe all this down. That's what I'm going to do afterwards too. So I suggest you do as well. Thanks.